In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front bumper cover on this Volkswagen GTI. Let's get into it. We're going to remove these screws up on top. Use a T25 socket. Just grab the grill and just slide it forward. Just pull straight out. It just clips in underneath. Take these screws out, use a T25 socket. Using a T25 socket, these screws under here, we want to take all of those out. There should be one right there. That's loose. Remove the wheel. I'm going to use a 17mm socket. Take the lug bolts out. I'm just going to hold the wheel on just so it doesn't fall. Then grab the wheel and slide it off. You can remove the wheel. It makes it a little bit easier, but you don't necessarily have to. You could just turn the wheel to the side. And there's going to be a cover right here. You want to pop that off. Underneath, you just grab it and it just pops out. And you can access the fog light. Just disconnect the connector on the fog light. Push down on the tab. It slides out. Then there's another light for the side marker. And grab that wire. There's a retainer there. Slide that out. Then where the light socket goes in, you just want to slide it out. It just pulls out. Just set that aside. And there's some screws. You want to take those out. Use a T25 socket. Two right there, should be one right there, another one right there. And using the same T25 socket, there's a screw going up here. Take that screw out. Grab the bumper and just pull it outward. You want to do the same on the other side. And grab the bumper and slide it forward. If your vehicle has headlight washers, you may have some lines that you have to take off. This vehicle does not. Slide the bumper over in place. The sides lined up. Now I'll put the screws in. Take the wires. I'm going to connect the light. It's the side marker. Line that up. Just push that in. And then the retainer, the wire retainer. Slide that in place. And the connector for the fog light. Line that up. Lock that down. You can put that cover back on, put the wheel on, and do the same on the other side. I'll put the wheel on, line it up, take the lug bolt, get that started. Snug those down. Now I'm going to torque the lug bolts to 90 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Just go around again, double check. Put these screws in, get these lined up. Snug those down. Put these screws in, snug those down. Take the grill, line it up, push the bottom in, lock that in place, and put the screws in, tighten those down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.